Dumbbell goblet squats are one of the best ways to really strengthen your legs and your core. If you ever struggle with squats, this is generally the way that we teach clients to start to squat because the weight in front creates a counterbalance and it can help you sit back into that invisible chair. But if you don't do this correctly, as you get heavier and heavier in your weights, you might hurt yourself. So one of the tips I like to use is when I'm grabbing a heavy dumbbell, I'll prop my leg up on a bench, starting with that weight on top of my knee so that the weight is closer to my chest. Sometimes women will bend over and grab the weight from the floor and throw it up near their shoulders, and that is going to give a couple signs of, one, you're not lifting to your full potential, because this exercise, if you're comfortable with squats, you should be able to squat fairly heavy. And then two, you might also hurt your back if you're grabbing the weight from the floor because you're going to have to round your low back to reach that far down. So this might be a quick little tip that you can use to get into the proper position, lift heavier, get stronger without hurting your back. Couple little squat tips. Make sure your weight is all in your heels. You're sitting back in that invisible chair, keeping that core tight. And one thing that does help is as you're going down, take a big deep breath in and almost hold that breath as you squat down. That's going to fill your diaphragm with air and really give you some support in that core to then press back up with your weight.